Hi, welcome back to my channel Tech Talk. In this episode, we will talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Start with the physical overview. It is nice and premium to look at. Flip point hinge is nice and small. It has metal frame. On the bottom there is Type-C charging point, speaker, mic. On the left hand side there is SIM card tray. On the top there is noise cancellation mic, and on the right side of this phone there is a power on off button which can work as a slight mounted fingerprint scanner, and there is also a volume up and down rockers. It has dual nano SIM card tray. If you hold this phone in your hand, it feels better and good. Overall, in-hand feel is very good. The phone is covered with the Gorilla Glass Victus protection. It comes with a cover in the box. If you covered it with the cover, the phone does not feel heavy, and I think it's look cool. Let's talk about it. Has 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED FHD Plus display along with the refresh rate of 120Hz. Brightness can go up to 1200 nits. It has also support HDR10+. Talking about its outer display, it has a 1.9-inch Gorilla Glass Victus protection display with 260x512 pixels. All the notification can be seen in this screen, which is quite useful. The aspect ratio of this phone is 22:9. Bezels are quite thin, and it has adaptive refresh rate, which means from 1 to 120Hz refresh rate can be performed with the various conditions. Let's talk about the processor of this phone. It comes with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, 4nm, based on Android 12, One UI 4.1.1. It has 8GB LPDDR5 RAM with 128 and 256GB storage, which is obviously UFS 3.1. One of the main attraction is the multimedia of this phone. It has the stereo speaker, which is loud and clear, and the screen can be visible very sharp and clear. Now let's dive into the camera. It has two main cameras. One is 12MP f1.8 wide lens with OIS, and the other one is also 12MP f2.2, but it's an ultra wide lens which can cover up to 123° angle. The selfie shooter is 10MP with the aperture of f2.4. The entire camera system comes with many useful features like portrait mode, live view, night vision, etc. The battery of this phone is 3700 mAh with the 25W fast charging. It has also 15W wireless charging system and 4.5W reverse wireless charging system. The phone comes with bespoke edition, which means you can customize your phone color as per your wish. There are 75 customizable options for your smartphone. This magnificent smartphone comes with the IPX8 protection. With the help of this, no water and dust can be entered in this phone. So, did you like it or not? If you like it, then please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment, and I will come with the next one. Till then, take care.